This is part 2 of Sam and Dad. Make sure that you've already done part 1 of this story. First thing we're going to begin with is some sight word review. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. See if you remember these sight words from part 1 of the story. Say the sight word before I do. Ready? Say the word. Was. Say the next word. Wanted. Say the word. Said. Say the word. His. Say the word. To. Say the word. When. Say the word. Went. Say the word. That. How did you do at remembering the sight words from part 1 of the story? Now we're going to review our decodable words. Remember, decodable words are words like CBC that we can sound out. We're going to go through these and work on our fluency and see if we can read quickly and accurately. Ready? Here we go. Say it with me. D, nod. T, up, top. S, et, set. F, add, fad. D, mud. Say the words with me. Ready? Here we go. L, d, lid. K, ab, cab. W, in, win. H, id, hid. P, add, pad. Did you use your B and D strategies for the B's and D's on this line? Do that when you see a B or D. Ready? Here we go. B, a, n, ban. R, b, rub. D, I, g, dig. K, I, d, kid. Z, app, zap. How'd you do with reading your CVC decodable words? Were you fluent? Were you quick and accurate? Let's go ahead and take a look at our story now. We're going to start by choral reading our story, so we're going to read it together. Say the words out loud with me as I point. Ready? Here we go. Sam and Dad. Keep reading out loud for the whole story. Sam was sad. Sam wanted to gab with Dad. Dad had to go to his lab. Sam did not like it when Dad went to the lab. Sam was sad that Dad had to go. I miss you when you are at the lab, said Sam. Sam said, "Can I go to the lab too?" Sam, you can go with me to the lab, said Dad. Sam was glad he got to go to the lab with Dad. Nice choral reading with me. Now it's time for our duet reading. I'll read the words in white. You'll say the words in yellow. For this page, I would say Sam, you would say and I would say Dad. Ready? Let's begin. Sam, Dad. Keep saying all of the yellow words as we go. Sam, sad. Wanted, gab, Dad. Dad, to, lab. did, like, when, went, the. Keep reading all the words in yellow. You're doing great. Sam, sad, dad, to, I, you, at, lab. Sam, Sam can go the to. Sam can with to lab. Dad. Sam glad got go the with. How did it go reading all the yellow words? Were you able to keep up? Great job. Now it's time for our writing. Take out your piece of paper. It should look like this. And we are going to start with writing down some CVC words. Get your pencil ready. And right at the top of the page, we are going to write our CVC words. Your first word is lab. Say the word with me. Lab. Write the word here. Lab. Lab. Make sure that you sound out the word and check your B or D strategy. Lab. L. A. B. I know for a B, the line goes first. B. It's a match with my hand. Lab. Get ready for your next word. Right here, write the word can. Can. Say the sounds and write the word. Can. I'm going to say the sounds as I write. K is a C, A is an A, and N is an N. Can. Check that yours looks like mine. Our last word is the word not. Say the word not. Write the word here. Not. Say the sounds as you write. And check with me, with mine. N is an N, A is an O, and T is a T. Not. Not. Awesome. Now we're going to practice writing a sentence. We're going to move down on our paper to where we see the star. I see some dots here. Let's count them and see how many words are in our sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our sentence has 4 words. Our sentence is, when is his lab? Say it with me. When is his lab? The first 2 words are when and is. Write those words here. When under the first dot and is under the second dot. When is. When is. Our first 2 words were when and is. Our last 2 words are his lab. So it'll say when is his lab. Let's write the words his and lab. His goes under the 3rd dot, and lab goes under the 4th dot. His lab. His lab. So the sentence is, when is his lab? 'Lab. 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 ' Finish writing and I'll read it one more time. When is his lab? And then you're going to be able to check your writing with mine. All right, let's take a look at our writing. All right, here we have our sentence. And on the top of each word, we're going to have a little circle. So let's check out the first word, when. W-H-E-N. Put a check here if you spelled when correctly. If not, fix it now. Remember, we have the silent H that we don't hear in this word, when. We just have to remember it by heart, don't we? When has a capital letter at the beginning because it's the beginning of our sentence. Check your W and see if it's capitalized or uppercase. When is. Is our second word. Remember that is has a Z sound, but that's made by the S. We have to remember that by heart. If you wrote I-S for is, put a check mark here. When is. If you didn't write that, you can fix it now. When is his. His is almost the same word as is. If I cover up the H, I see is. His has an H in front of the word is. H-I-S. The S makes the Z sound, just like in is. His is. Put a check mark if you got it. When is his lab? No hearts here because it's a CBC word. We can sound it out. L-A-B. Lab. Check that you had a B with the line going first and not a D. If you got it correct, put a check mark. What about this ending mark? Who remembered to put a question mark there? If you did, you can even put a little smile on top. Way to go. This was asking a question. When is his lab? We need a question mark. Awesome work on your first sentence. When is his lab? Now we're going to do our second sentence. Go down to the second star on your page where you see 1, 2, 3 circles. We have 3 words in the sentence. The sentence is, that was his. That was his. Say it with me. That was his. Write the first word, that, and the second word, was. That was. First word, that, goes under the first circle, and the second word, was, goes under the second circle. That was. That was. Our third word is the word his. That was, under the third dot, write the word his. His. Don't forget to put an ending mark and to capitalize or make an uppercase letter for your first letter in the sentence. That was his. That was his. This is the word that. Has a TH at the beginning that we have to memorize. T-H-A-T. That. I hear the word at the end, don't you? Give a check mark if you spelled that correctly. If not, fix it now. That. The next word was. Remember was has 2 hearts? Because the A says and the S says Z. Was. Check that you spelled was, W-A-S, and put a check if you did. If not, you can fix it now. And our last word is the word his. Just like in was, the S makes a Z sound. H-I-S. Put a check if you got it. Awesome work on your writing, friends.